Hey, I'm Terrence, your computer concierge, and I'm going live here at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. And I am here talking about business and IT support. In local and small businesses, sometimes it's a difficulty finding the right IT support. Computers Plus USA can offer that support. We have great solutions that can help affect your bottom line. And that's what matters in business, is affecting your bottom line. And not only does that affect your business, but it also can affect your home. Every home has a bottom line, right? Everyone has a kitchen table budget that they look at and they try to find ways to save more money and reinvest, put things where they need to be. There are great solutions out there that are free for you to use. One is on Google. If you have a Google account, if you look at the top right-hand side, there are 3 dots and total of 9 that are stacked on each other on the right-hand side. If you go next to your, right to your Google,